Welcome to Kim's Health. How to use a single app for my family. The Services screen displays all the core features of the app. Among them is the Profile Mapping option. Selecting this will take you to the Add Profile screen, allowing you to add your family members.
Select Profile Mapping.
The Profile Mapping screen displays the main user profile along with all mapped family member profiles. Users can easily switch between profiles by tapping the Choose button or remove a mapped profile using the Delete option. This feature allows seamless management of multiple family member profiles within a single account. Add Profile screen. The Add Profile screen allows users to link a new profile by entering the mobile number and MR, medical record number. Once the required information is filled in, tapping the Add Profile button will map the new profile to the user's account, enabling access to their medical records and services. Enter your registered mobile number and MR number. Then tap the Add Profile button to proceed. OTP verification screen. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your device. Then tap Continue to complete the profile addition process. Successfully mapped new profile screen. This screen confirms that a new profile has been successfully mapped to the user's account. The newly added profile appears under the Mapped Profile section, along with other previously linked profiles. Users can switch between profiles by tapping Choose or remove any mapped profile using the Delete button. Thank you for watching.